What's going on, guys? Ken here. So I'm gonna be vlogging on while I'm on the clock. So today I'm gonna be driving a U-Haul. There it is, big 20-footer. First time driving one of these big guys. I honestly thought you need a CDL to drive these things, but yep. Stay tuned. More to come. Shoot. Start that baby. Seatbelts first. Safety first. We are off. I'm driving a 20-footer. Dashboard's so high I can't even like record properly. You're gonna manually do this. I'd rather not record while I'm driving, so yep. Got my help here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the third helper now, so we about to hit the parkway, and yeah, stay tuned. Alright, we're complete. There's a lot of stuff for our Jamaica Center, our new office that we just opened up. Hey Frank. Alright. My boy Owen. So stay tuned.
Is Joseph's team or?
Yeah. Now we gotta unload. What's up, Mark? Little glimpse of the office. New spot. What's going on, guys? Back again. So that concludes my job task. Got some help from my boy Owen, big help from my guy Frank. Let's see what they got, what's next for all this furniture, because I don't know where it's going. So luckily for I got to leave early today. And yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, stay tuned. More to come. Peace.